NotebookLM is a super powerful free AI SEO tool, and by the end of this, you'll know how to turn one free Google tool into a machine that ranks your website on Google and inside AI search engines like ChatGPT. This is based on what's working for me. You can see this website went from basically zero all the way up to 206 clicks a day. And you can also see, for example, this website, again, it went from 0 clicks a day all the way up to 76 clicks a day with AI SEO using techniques like this. So I want to break down exactly how you can use this. Now, here's the thing most people get wrong with AI SEO. They think ranking a website can't be done for free. They think you need a big team, fancy tools, years of waiting, so they never start, or they start and get no traffic and quit. But there's a free tool from Google sitting right there. Some people use it to study, to make notes, to turn a boring PDF into a podcast for fun, but they have no idea it's one of those powerful SEO tools on the planet right now. And this is NotebookLM. And I want to show you how to use it as a free AI SEO machine. Quick bit of context so we're on the same page here. NotebookLM is a free tool from Google. You can drop in stuff. So for example, it could be a blog post, a Google Doc or website. And then what it can do is create these powerful notebooks like you can see. So for example, we've got one about OpenClaw. And from there, you can generate podcasts, you could generate videos, you could generate infographics. There's many things you can do with this. You can even chat back and forth with it. And not only that, but with NotebookLM, you can now use an MCP and link it to your AI agents, which means it's smarter than ever at creating AI SEO content, and you can get your agents to use it just like we're doing right here. And here's why that matters for getting found online. So Google rewards content that actually helps people. AI search engines do too. So when you make better content that's deeper and more personalized, you get better results. And not only that, you can also link it to your Obsidian Vault or your memory so that everything you create is personalized, like we've done right here inside our agent operating system. So let me walk you through exactly how the free ranking machine works step by step. And each step gets a little bigger than the last. First step, you want to have a look through your website, what content you've created, and then see what top pages you're missing. And this is the one that changes everything. Let's say, for example, you want to rank for a topic. And if it could be, for example, ranking around Hermes related topics for AI automation, something like that. Or let's say, for example, you're trying to improve a current page that you have. You can actually take the content and then you could take your blog post that's not currently ranking but needs to improve. Then you can go over to NotebookLM. You can create a new notebook like so. From here, you can chat with it. You could plug in the information that you have and ask it, based on the current blog posts that we have, how could we improve the optimization for AI SEO? Or you could ask, for example, what did my pages leave out that we could actually improve, and find the gaps inside the content. Now, what you can also do is you could take a topic that you're trying to rank for. So for example, like OpenClaw, create a notebook around that, then go to your studio and you could say something like, okay, create a powerful SEO optimized blog for, and then we can take an example keyword like this. So for example, OpenClaw versus Hermes agent, that could be a keyword we're trying to rank for. We can go back into the report section to generate this inside NotebookLM Studio and say, create a powerful SEO optimized blog for the keyword OpenClaw versus Hermes agent. Then we're going to hit generate like so, and that will now generate a blog post, as you can see, and we can go from there. But we're just getting started here. That's step one. Step number two is that you can actually create videos with this process too. So what you can do is, once you've created a notebook that's trained on your specific topic that you're trying to rank for, you can go to studio, create a video from here, and what you actually see is something that looks like this, right? And so these videos can actually rank pretty well. Let me show you an example of videos ranking. So if we take a keyword like this, for example, you can see us ranking on the first page Google and also inside AI mode. So not only do you rank with the blog post, but also with videos. Here's another example of us ranking for that keyword multiple times across multiple platforms. And that's the cool thing about NotebookLM, is like you can create content across different platforms, targeting the same keyword, and then rank multiple times. So you can rank with videos and also the blog posts that I've talked about. So this is using something called video overviews. So you can come up with a topic and it makes a video for you. And I actually got a massive upgrade because now you can create cinematic overviews as well. These are cinematic video overviews, even more powerful, even better than before. And now you can show up in two places for the same keyword that you targeted, with the blog and the video, which means twice the chance of being found from one single piece of work. Now, before I show you the next steps, let me say something quick. If you're watching this and thinking, this sounds great, but I'd never figure out the setup myself, That's pretty normal. And that's exactly why we built the agent operating system inside the AI Profit Boardroom. We've got NotebookLM plugged right in so it can link to your other AI agents. And instead of like clicking around or messing around with multiple tabs, you can have everything in one single place. We've even got an SEO tool built in for this sort of stuff. And we've helped over 3,100 business owners set stuff like this. And a lot of them have never touched AI before they joined. So you get the full setup file, a video walking you through it, and daily updates as we make the whole community better. Link in the comments and description. Now back to the machine. Third step, you can actually make images that also rank. Here's an example. So if we go to images, you can see us ranking for this keyword too, which is pretty powerful. How do you do that? Well, you take the notebook that you've got the content created for, go to Studio, then you can click on infographic, hit generate. And once you've done that, you'll be able to generate an infographic like so that can also rank for the target keyword. And this is something that nobody uses, right? Now, Google has a whole search just for images. People find businesses for it every single day, and you can rank these too. So NotebookLM makes infographics. And as you can see, these are clean, these are colorful images that explain something simply. Now, the infographics actually feature and use something called Nano Banana Pro to analyze your research, pull out the key insights from your notebook, and then turn them into a professional visual automatically. And these are completely unique, of course, as well. Now, the power of this is that you can make a unique, interesting infographic nobody else has, and now you can rank inside image search as well, like we've done right here. So that's 3 places now. You can rank with blogs, videos, and images on the same topic with one single notebook. Fourth step is you can turn your post into a podcast. So for example, here you can see we've created a podcast. How would you do that? So you would take the notebook that you've created, go to Studio, and then from here you can create an audio overview, click generate. Once you've done that, you'll see an example like so. And this is also something that can rank. Now, NotebookLM is actually pretty famous for this one. So you can drop your content in, and it makes an audio show. So 2 AI voices talking about your topic like a real podcast. It actually sounds very humanized. Now, why does this help you rank? So you can actually create content like you can see right here. This is a podcast that we've created that's ranking. And also the other thing about this is not only does the podcast itself rank, but also if you embedded this into your blog, then people spend longer time on the page if they're listening to it. If you have longer time on the page, Google is more likely to rank you because it sees it as a way of understanding whether your content is interesting or not. So this again is another way for people to find you. And the 5th step, this is a big one. So one topic can become multiple different blog posts. You can generate multiple different unique blog posts for that single topic via notebook. So here's an example. If we look at this keyword, you can see us ranking here with one blog post like so. And then you can also see us ranking over here as well, right? On another blog post. It's completely unique. And so if you step back and look at what just happened, you started with one idea, one topic, one keyword, and from a single free notebook, you made a blog post, you made videos, you made images, you made a podcast that ranks, and you also created multiple blog posts across multiple different platforms. So it's not just one piece of content, it's multiple, all targeting the same topic, all for free, all from one tool. And this is how powerful something like this is. So you're not just creating one thing and hoping, you're surrounding a topic from every angle. So no matter how someone searches, typing, watching, listening, or asking AI, they find you. And it gets better because you can use a few more moves that make this thing really hum. So you could, for example, link your pages together. Your podcast could link to your blog post. The video could also mention the podcast, right? And good internal links and external links help Google understand your site and rank it higher. So NotebookLM can actually do this for you. You can also use this for answering FAQs that people would typically ask on Google. And not just that, but from the platform itself, like you can see with this, you can also get a lot of views and a lot of traffic. As you can see, the growth from this particular subreddit. So every single one of these pieces of content you rank is free. Everyone points back to the same topic and everyone stacks on top of the last. Now, a lot of people hear all this and they think, okay, I'm not techie, this isn't for me. And I hear all that all the time and I get it, but here's the truth. You can drop a keyword into a box and type a question, you can do this, right? That's the whole skill. There's no code required. There's no fancy setup. It's just a free Google tool and your business idea. The other thing that people think is like ranking takes forever with SEO. Why bother? It used to, when you had to research for hours, write everything by hand, make everything from scratch. But that old way was slow and painful. The new way is that you do the thinking and the tool, the AI, does the heavy lifting for you. So what took a week can now take an afternoon. And people also think like they've missed the boat, that AI search is here and that small business can't compete. I would actually say the opposite is true. So you can see, for example, Google AI mode is recommending us here for this particular keyword, and AI search engines are hungry for clear, helpful, well organized, and useful content. So the difference here is like most businesses are still creating very thin, generic content. But if you show up with deep content, that answers real questions, even if it's from a free tool, as long as you've got some personalization in there and you're saying something unique, it's going to help you, right? So, for example, that's why we have the memory system plugged into our agent operating system so that we can make it as unique and useful as we possibly can. And that's how you get ahead. Whilst everyone is still confused, you're the one getting found. That's the one moment we're in right now, and it won't stay open forever. This is an opportunity. So here's what to do. Pick one topic that you would like to rank for, start learning how you can use NotebookLM for this sort of stuff, and build a system around it. Now, if you want the whole thing done for you, the setup, the system, the exact prompts that help you create and rank with these sort of processes based on what's working for me, that's what we've built inside the AI Profit Boardroom. So I actually got a full section on AI SEO automation, like you can see. And then additionally, we actually have the agent operating system, which has NotebookLM connected with an MCP. So you can use your SEO tools and the whole machine works together. You also get 4 weekly coaching calls every week where we go deep on ranking your website, daily tutorials showing you how to rank based on what's working for me, and an amazing community of 1,200 members. A lot of them started knowing nothing about AI, and you can see they're all getting awesome results here. So inside the AI Profit Boardroom, you get the full setup file, the video walkthrough, updates every time we make the system better, link in the comments and description, or go to the aiprofitboardroom.com. And if you'd rather just talk to a human and get a custom plan for your exact website, book a free SEO strategy session with my team. We'll build you a one-to-one game plan to rank on Google and inside AI search engines. Links in the description too, or head to goldie.agency. Either way, test it out. One free tool, 5 ways to rank. Start with one topic today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.